Here's how we replace a tensioner and a belt on a 2000 Dodge Ram.
So it's very straightforward. Is one bolt. You actually have to loosen the tensioner and pull the belt. And then we take this bolt out here. And as you can see, this belt tensioner, what's left of it is not much. Just come off. You have a washer. This one's kind of melted plastic on it. And then you have the inside of the old bearing. And then this one goes on. You just push this back on. Clean this up here so that it suits back. See here? This actually has the old belt stuck in this here. Look, there. That should not be there. So we're actually gonna have to go around and clean this out. Looks like we can just pull it. It's melted those three things right off. 3. All right, we check all the other ones. So you just take your whole belt off. Alright, whole belt's off. This belt is definitely bad, you can see, because of the worn out bearing. It just took away about 3 of the ridges. So that's bad. So now we have to put your belt on. If you took the belt completely off, don't remember how it goes, there's normally a belt diagram either right in front of the car or up on top of the hood. Run your belt the way it says, or the way you remember. It's a bit hard to get to. I'm just going to go under the vehicle. Stick that one on. Okay. Push that in here. Okay, there we go. Now, for some reason on this truck, it's hard to get the tool behind. Goes up and on. There you go. That is the tensioner pulley replaced, Serpentine belt replaced.